Okay, I want to first of all teach you about the if function. The if function is simple once you understand the premise of it. Look, I have created a formula right here. And what does that formula say? It says if, here is the formula bar, equal sign always begins a formula. If, open parentheses, if F7, which is F7, this number right here, if F7 is greater than 600, which it is, comma, type this in. And remember, if you're going to put it to say text, you always put the quotation marks on either side of it. And then the if formula says, but if this is not true, do this. So in other words, type good job if it's greater than 600. But if it's not greater than 600, put a 0 there. So now you'll see that if I come back in here and I go ahead and use the handler and drop it down to here, and you see, these are not greater than 600. So it says, I'm going to put a 0 there. This one is. It says, good job. That's all that an if function says. If this is true, do this. If this is false, do this. All it does is separate it by 2 commas. So if this is true, do this. If this is false, do this. That's the simple explanation of an if function.